Hey everyone, Ben from Audiologic here and welcome back to Tech Tuesdays. This week we're at the University of Birmingham in one of the new lecture theatres to take a look at the technology they're using to create hybrid teaching spaces. We're currently on site in the Teaching and Learning building here at the University of Birmingham, one of the latest developments on campus. The entire teaching facility has been fitted out with hybrid teaching in mind. Now, more than ever, it's essential that lecture theatres are fitted out with the latest AV technology to ensure that remote learning is as close to the in-room experience as possible. Here with me today I have Matt Turner, head of the university's HEFI digital team, to talk more about hybrid teaching spaces.
The university's been looking at the use of hybrid teaching in order to support students who find themselves unable to come to campus, mainly overseas students, because of the current restrictions. In the first instance, this has been quite a small-scale pilot. We've been working with academic colleagues who've been running sessions with students in this room and students overseas on Zoom. And the purpose of that is to bring together students on Zoom and in the room so that they can be taught together, but also so that our academic colleagues don't have to teach those sessions more than once to the cohorts separately. We're then going to use the rooms that we've got equipped in a similar way the next academic year, again to support those students who are unable to return to the campus from overseas.
So let's take a look at some of the technology we're using to achieve all of this. First up, we've got the Shure MXA 910 ceiling array microphone. Here in Lecture Theatre 1, we're using the MXA 910 for multiple different jobs. Primarily, it's serving as an audience pickup, but this is then feeding a lecture capture, an assistive listening, and also a video conferencing system. Within each microphone, we've got 128 different capsules, and we're using these to create 8 virtual lobes. In here, we're actually using 6 of the MXA 910s to cover all 500 of the audience seats. Using the Shure Designer software, we mapped the coverage for the microphones for this space. We can steer the lobes dynamically to cover exactly where the seating positions are, and this could all be changed via presets if for any reason we needed to change room layout. The room is being managed by a QSC Core processor. The Core is an audio, video and controlled DSP and is also looking after all of the audio network traffic. The Core is also looking after the additional features we've got in the room, things like camera tracking, assistive listening, and it's also feeding the lecture capture devices. Hopefully that's given you some insight into the products we're using to achieve hybrid teaching spaces at universities. If you could take a minute to like the video and subscribe to the channel, it'd be massively appreciated. And if you have any questions, get in touch with either myself or the team. As always, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.